Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can delete your Genshin Impact account permanently on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link that is account.mihoyo.com. So as I've already mentioned before that you must log in into your account. In order to delete your account, tap on Account Security Settings in the left hand side corner. As you tap on Account Security Settings on the other side, you can see all your information. So on this following page, scroll down right to the bottom. And right at the bottom in the right hand side corner, you can see there is Delete Account. So tap on it. As you tap on Delete Account, right in center there's a pop-up. And over here you can see that it says, once you delete your account, all your information will be deleted permanently. If you have made up your mind, so then tap on Next in the bottom right corner. So next is that you'll have to enter the verification code. So the verification code will be sent through your email that is linked with your Genshin Impact account. Now check for the verification code on your email. Out here you can see that I've received a verification code, and what you have to do is you simply have to copy it and then paste it over here. Once you're done entering your verification code, tap on Next, which is right at the bottom. So once again there is an article, so make sure to go through it all and then tap on OK, which is right at the bottom. Over here you can see that I've received a notification and it says that my account has been successfully deleted. You can see that I'm logged out of my account, which means that my account has been deleted. And that is how you can delete your Genshin Impact account permanently on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.